Hi, it's Terri from Forensic Science Academy, as well as our online training program, the Forensic Training Unlimited. I wanted to give you an update of what's going on for Class 2019. We are accepting applications, and as of today, we have 14 seats open. We are going to be only taking 20 students. And the thing is that I want to be able to offer to all of you the opportunity to join us next year. You'll be exposed to blood-stain patterns, crime scene investigation, and of course, so there are some people who just love fingerprints. And we'll be going over collecting evidence of different types of evidence, dusting and lifting for prints, indoor and outdoor crime scenes. You'll be diagramming your crime scenes through mock crime scenes, and all the fun that you could possibly imagine in the Forensic Science Academy. I urge you, if you are serious about starting your forensic career, please apply today. Again, we'll only be accepting 20 students for class 2019. I am here if you have any questions. You can email me or call me. I'm here to provide any type of assistance and answer any questions that you may have in joining us next year.